Eutrophication of water bodies leading to killing of fishes is mainly due to the non-availability of what? Eutrophication is the enrichment of water bodies with nutrients, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus, often from the fertilizer runoff, sewage, and industrial waste. And this leads to the algal blooms which block the sunlight and reduce photosynthesis. So as the algae die and decompose, they consume large amount of oxygen because bacteria use oxygen to break down the algae, causing the oxygen depletion. That is a condition of hypoxia. And this lack of oxygen suffocates fish and other aquatic organisms, leading to the killing of fishes. So that means the correct answer will be option A, oxygen. Coming to option B, food. Though food availability can be a concern in some ecosystems, eutrophication mainly leads to a lack of oxygen, not a lack of food for the aquatic organisms. Option C, light. Eutrophication does cause the light to be blocked by the algal blooms, but the main consequence is oxygen depletion due to the death and decomposition of the algae, which directly harms the aquatic life. Option D, essential minerals. The eutrophication involves an excess of essential minerals, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus. So that means it is not due to the lack of these minerals. So the correct answer is option A.